Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters. Today we're going to take a look at our wheel covers for the 77 to 86 trucks and the 70 to 73 cars. Anyone who is a fan of early to mid-70s Ford cars and trucks will instantly recognize these classic wheel covers. Over the years, originals become faded, broken, or lost. Dennis Carpenter now makes these covers right off the original Ford tooling right here in the USA. They are correct for the 77 to 86 trucks and the 70 to 73 cars, but will fit any 15-inch wheel. The correct silver and charcoal coloring applied to the face is surrounded by a chrome ring, and it is decorated with faux lugs. Along with the correct nameplates in the center make these wheel covers identical to the originals. So if you're restoring your car or truck back to its original showroom condition, these wheel covers will really finish off your restoration. You can find these and many other restoration parts for your Ford at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on our latest videos. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.